find the value of x here. But we have problem because they have different bases. So let's just think of something in which we can do to make this base and this base equal, then we can solve. So now let's see it. So log of x, instead of this 25 now, let us write 5 squared. It is 25 plus log of x to base 5 equals to 3. So as we always do, we multiply the log by the power of this, and the same log here again, we multiply the log with the reciprocal of the power of the base. So this one now we have 1 over 2 log 5 log to base 5 of x. This is the explanation. If you have log a to the power of the base of b c, so the power of the base is b, so we will multiply 1 over 2 1 over c of log of a to b. This is the law that we just apply here, plus log of x to base 5 equals to 3. So now we can add now. If you add this and this, of course you're going to get 3 over 2 of log of x to base 5, all equals 3. Let's continue. From here, log x to base 5, the power of, let's make it clear, sorry, log of x to base 5. So now multiply, you now bring this one here, 3 over 2, which should be equals to 3. According to the law of logarithm, logarithm of a number is the power in which the base must rise to give the number, meaning this is the log in which this base will rise to give us this. So just like this, this right by this to give us this. That means from there you can change it to index notation. So the height will be x to the power of 3 over 2 equals to 5 to the power of 3. So x to the power of 3 over 2 equals to 5 power 3. So multiply everything by 2 over 3 by 2 over 3, so that x will be fluid. So these two cancel out, these two, one will go. So x will be equals to, even here, this 3 will cancel out this, so it becomes 5 squared. Therefore x will be equals to 25. And that's the final answer. Please help me share this video.